JINAN Machinery Company Limited, a specialist in high-performance laser solutions. We focus on R&D and customization of high-speed fiber laser cutters, laser cleaners, engravers, and welders to meet diverse industrial needs. We're building the Foxconn of the laser industry with happy clients globally. We hold the CE certificate. Now, we're actively seeking overseas agents. Partner with us for professional, customized global laser processing solutions.
The machine is working good, there is no problem at all, and customer service is excellent with these guys. So I recommend it. Good luck.
After sales is very helpful and responsive. I'm very satisfied with that. And yeah, altogether, I'm really happy with my purchase. I would buy it again if I had the option to.
Thank you for Bogong Machine for good job.
So we are going to do the unboxing of the laser. This is how it came. This is how the crate looks. It looks pretty safe. So this is the fragile side up.
I'm visiting JINAN, our Bogong machinery factory. They make all this laser cutting machine, as you can see. It's well tested and trusted. We try a few samples here, and the cutting are so nice. So, and the functions here are so easy to make, and also easy to follow. Both the system and the connections are well okay. So I will recommend everyone who need a laser cutting machine, mostly for jewelries, to contact Bogong Machinery Factory in JINAN, Shandong, China. Thank you very much.
It's a very good machine, and this is one I would recommend to anyone. I got this machine from the Bogong company in China, and they were very helpful in sending sample videos, instructions on how to use it. They also have a great customer care line in helping me if you have any questions or any problems with the machine, and are very, very helpful. Thank you.
I recently got this machine right here. This is a Bogong 300-watt pulse laser cleaning machine. Now that I've used the machine and got my first real-world experience with this thing, I kind of want to talk about how it works and what it is all about. I really like this machine because of its small form factor. Look at this thing. It's the size of like a desktop computer. It's not much bigger than that.
I'm happy that I came to know about Bogong laser machines, and I wish them all the luck for their future endeavors also. Good luck. Thank you, Bogong.
We buy 2 fiber lasers from JINAN Bogong Machinery. Before we buy it, we send our best engineer to check quality of lasers. Now we're working on that laser, and the quality is very, very good. JINAN Bogong Machinery also have UV lasers, so I hope we will continue our cooperation in the future. Bye.
Bueno, como recién les mostraba, lo que es el corte de fibra, también disponemos de lo que es el grabado de fibra. Tenemos aquí con el que estamos grabando estos llaveros. También es de la misma marca. Aquí estamos sacando unos llaveros también en acero inoxidable de 4 milímetros que hemos cortado. Si ven, son los que hemos cortado con la otra máquina. También tenemos lo que es el grabado CO2. Esta máquina ya es en 3D. También es de Bogong. Es muy completa. Viene con su ordenador. También tenemos esta máquina, también de Bogong, que es para el corte láser. También el CO2. Entonces tenemos aquí la primera, ahí tenemos una segunda, aquí tenemos una tercera y ahí tenemos una cuarta máquina de la misma marca.